Isang mapagpalang araw at magandang buhay sa inyong lahat. Naritong muli ang inyong matinik at ang musikero channel sa pangunguna ng inyong abang lingkod upang magbahaging muli ng kaalaman sa larangan ng matematika. Ang ating diskusyon sa session na ito ay napapatungkol sa spatial products at ang type of spatial product na ating pag-aaralan is regarding about the product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. Ito na ngayon ang ating discussion, ang ating session, ang ating topic, product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. At ito ngayon ang ating given formula. X plus y times x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. The product of the sum and difference of the same two terms is easy to determine and even simpler to work out. The result is simply the difference of two squares. At syempre, ito ngayon ang ating mga steps. Steps in finding the spatial product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. Para sa ating step 1, multiply the first term of the binomial x plus y to the first term of the binomial x minus y. Ang first term ng ating binomial x plus y is equal to x. At ang first term naman ng ating binomial x minus y is also x. Ang gagawin lang natin, imumultiply lang natin ang parehong first term. X times x is equal to x squared. Take note, kailangan parehong-pareho ang first term ng ating dalawang binomial. And at the same time, kailangan din is parehong-pareho din ang binomial natin regarding about their last terms. Dapat parehong y ang kanilang last terms. Let us now proceed to step 2. By the way, ang value ng step 1 natin para sa product ng parehong first term is simply equal to x squared. Now, ito ngayon ang ating step 2. Multiply the last term of binomial x plus y to the last term binomial x minus y. Ano ba ang last term ng ating x plus y? Hindi ba positive y or plus y? At ang last term naman ng x minus y is minus y. Kung ating hanapan ng product, ang parehong last term ng dalawang binomial na x plus y at x minus y, ang ating sagot is negative y squared. That is why we have negative y squared sa product ng parehong last term. And now we have the step 3. Add all the terms obtained from step 1 and step 2. Kaya ang kasagutan natin sa ating given example or formula, x plus y times x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. Take note, kailangan parehong-pareho ang parehong first term nila and at the same time ang parehong last term ng dalawang binomial. Saka pa lamang natin pwedeng i-multiply ng first to first at last to last ang ating mga binomial. Ang ibig sabihin, first term multiply to the first term of the second binomial and then last term to the last term of our second binomial, which is actually x minus y. That is why ang sagot natin is x squared minus y squared. Let us have now our example number 1. 3x plus 15y times 3x minus 15y. Wala tayong problema dito kasi parehong 3x ang parehong first term ng dalawang binomial. And at the same time, pareho namang 15y ang mga last terms ng ating mga binomials. Ang kaibaan lang is yung sign ng 15y is positive at ang sign naman ng another 15y is negative. So pwede itong maging alimbawa. Actually, alimbawa siya ng product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. At ito ngayon ang ating solusyon para sa ating step number 1. Multiply the first term of the binomial 3x plus 15y to the first term of the binomial 3x minus 15y. At ang ating sagot, 3x times 3x is equal to 9x squared. For second step, multiply the last term of binomial 3x plus 15y to the last term of binomial 3x minus 15y. Ang solusyon, 15y times negative 15y is negative 225y squared. Para sa ating step number 3, add all the terms obtained from step 1 and 2. Finally, ang ating sagot, 9x squared minus 225y squared. At ang ating sagot sa ating given problem na 3x plus 15y times 3x minus 15y is 9x squared. minus 225y squared. Let us now proceed to our example number 2. 5x plus 6y times 5x minus 6y. Walang problema dito kasi parehong 5x ang parehong first term. And at the same time, ang mga last terms ng ating mga given binomials, parehong 6y. And at the same time, magkaiba ng sign ng 6y sa unaan at ang ating pangalawang binomial naman is negative 6y. At ito ngayon ang ating solution process. For step number 1, multiply the first term of the binomial 5x plus 6y to the first term of the binomial 5x minus 6y. Ang ibig sabihin, 5x times 5x is equal to 25x squared. Step number 2, multiply the last term of binomial 5x plus 6y to the last term of binomial 5x minus 6y. Ang ibig sabihin yan, 6y times negative 6y is negative 36y squared. Then finally, for our last step, add all the terms obtained from step 1 and step 2. Ang resulta natin sa step 1 is 25x squared. Sa step 2 naman is negative 36y squared. If we're going to add them, we have now 25x squared minus 36y squared. Finally, ang ating sagot sa ating given spatial product na 5x plus 6y times 5x minus 6y is simply equal to 25x squared minus 36y squared. Thank you and God bless. Hanggang sa muli, ito po ang inyong Matinikatang Musikero channel na nagsasabing maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang mga kabataang Pilipino. Thank you very much.